What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, and hope you're all having at least a decent weekend. And welcome to this video in which we're talking about the FTX token again, or FTT. We'll talk about a little bit of the fundamentals, but in this video, I also wanted to talk about the technicals a little bit more, as far as we can. FTT seems to be reacting to technicals quite well. But obviously, and that's something you should always know, it's a very fundamentally driven token at this point, at this time at least. Like it really depends on what really happened at the hack. The price of FTT really depends on that. It really depends on how much liquidity FTX has left. But at some point, and I said that yesterday too, at some point FTT will kind of like function like the BingX token, which has been after the bankruptcy of Voyager Digital. Has been very volatile as well, as you can see. So it's it happened here. I think the bankruptcy. So yeah, at some point FTT could even get, like, I don't know, bull runs, could even get spikes up, but it's too early for that right now. We're still in the middle of the entire drama. Yesterday we had the hack. We don't know exactly how many funds are stolen. Obviously, I mean, they are working very closely with law enforcement agencies, right? So stealing crypto for hackers is actually a lot more difficult than you might expect. I already saw that a lot of crypto was blacklisted by Tether, for example. So it really is more difficult than you think, and the damages might actually be somewhat mitigated. But for now, FTX, the fundamentals are still very bearish. All right, altogether, I mean, if you take everything into account, the bankruptcy, the rumors going around SBF, and just what happened with the hack, it's very bearish. Volume is dropping down, which is good for FTT. You can kind of see some stability in the price, I guess, on top of like $1.8. But apart from that, yeah, we'll just explore it in this video. I'm looking at FTT on Binance. You can no longer deposit it on Binance, and I mean, you obviously cannot trade it on FTX anymore, but the prices kind of differ, as you can see, over the exchanges. Most of you trade it on Binance, so I do it on Binance too. But for now, if we purely look technically at the price, you can see that there's a major resistance level between 2.15 and 2.25, I'd say. So you can see that we have some bullish momentum for some reason right now. We've also found resistance, but like we found resistance at 2.25, the level to break. Took a break retest off of the $2 level, so we're going to try to break above it again. If we are actually able to close above that, I think we'll take a break retest, and I think we'll get all the way up to 2.5, 2.6. Now, I don't see any reason why we would break above that. So if we hit that level from there, we would probably drop down again. But it's at least it could be considered bullish for the market, I think. But that's something that could happen. I mean, we are going to test that level again, and it really is about whether we can break above that or not. So we're going to test it. If we find resistance there once more, we'll just drop down, and we'll drop down like lower, down to 1.75. And I still think a drop down to 1.5 is coming at some point. For now, I think we can hold 1.75, but if we don't find a lot of support from 1.75, we'll drop down to 1.5. So right now, what happens for FTT really depends on one thing. We're going to test 2.25, 2.15 once more. Can we break above that today? I think that has to happen today, or can we not? If we do not get over it, we'll drop down to 1.75, and there's quite a big chance we'll drop down all the way to 1.5. Some people were saying or were asking, can FTT go to 0? Which I don't think so. I don't think FTT will go to 0. Could it actually go to $1? Could it get to 50 cents? Yes, but as I said, I really think kind of the same will happen with the BingX token, where the FTT token really is a meme coin, because it holds no value anymore. At this point, it even has no value anymore. I'm not sure if any loans of Alameda Research are still, I don't know, liquid and have FTT as collateral backed behind it. I don't know. That information is not out either. So I don't think it goes to 0, but I definitely don't think we'll see any bullish FTT moves soon. So that's my take on FTT for today. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care and bye.